Difficult conversations are just that, difficult. Most people don't enjoy telling a coworker he needs to step up his work or confronting a boss about her management style. Whether we like it or not, these conversations can get messy and emotional. They're also necessary. Effective communication requires us to address and work through issues openly and constructively. That's why it's important to learn the 4 steps for navigating difficult conversations. Step 1 is all about preparation. You don't want to head into a difficult conversation without a solid plan. Arm yourself with 3 things. First, prepare to describe the issue in 1 to 2 sentences. Stick to the facts and cut out your interpretation or feelings about them. Second, identify your goals for the conversation. What does resolution look like? What's the ideal outcome? Finally, try role-playing both the best and worst-case reactions from the other party. Preparation is key to keeping your conversation constructive and on track. The number of difficult conversations you encounter will likely increase as you gain more responsibility and leadership roles in your career. Don't avoid them. Approach difficult conversations tactfully and with a clear plan. While having difficult conversations isn't fun, when you confront issues head-on, you're more likely to resolve them, reach understandings, and grow.